So this is someone here na kilalang-kilala mo with the Page of Cups energy. Marami kayong pinagsamahan ng taong ito. Halos nakasama mo siya at nakita niya ang lahat ng emosyon at facial reaction sa mukha mo. In other words, no, nakita ka niya na ngumiti, tumawa, magalit, umiyak, malungkot. Lahat ng mga halo-halo at samut-saring emotions ay nakita niya na sa'yo. Okay? At ikaw ganun din sa kanya. So marami na kayong pinagsamahan. Matagal mo siyang nakasama or matagal mo siya rito no, na nakakonect. Just take only what resonates. And we're talking about heart space levels. Ibig sabihin, this could be your ex person. Let us see. Oh, look at that. Your love life ay binibigyan rito ng justice. So let me take a look at what kind of justice it is. But it looks like the universe steps in, no? Dito. Ayan. So let me see. I really do not get that this is something here negative na message, no? Actually, parang mas napipil ko pa nga yung positive energies dito sa inyong reading. So, let me take a look at what else. Okay. Whoever this energy is, it looks like, okay, you are no longer contacting each other. There's this zero communication right in here, no? So definitely you are separated. You did broke up. So let me see. We have here Four of Swords, Fortune's Wheel, yeah. Four of Coins energy. Okay. So it looks like you are having a hard time moving forward here. Parang ito yung energy mo that with the Queen of Swords and the Three of Swords energy, no? You want to forget siya rito, no? Or kalimutan siya rito, no? Tuluyan na or ganap na kalimutan. Pero parang ang malaki mong tanong sa sarili mo, bakit hindi mo kayang magawa, no? You know, sweetheart, no? Moving on ay may sariling timeline. Okay? Hindi pare-pareho ang timeline ng pagmo-move on ng bawat tao. Okay? Pero dito it looks like there is something more. Let me dig it up for you. Let me just finish here first because meron ditong Fortune's Wheel. No? Ilatag muna natin lahat ng energies para makita ko rito no, kung ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ni universe dito. No? Dahil meron ditong specific na dahilan bakit kahit na sa kabila ng lahat ng ginagawa mo upang kalimutan siya rito, ibaon siya rito sa limot, hindi mo pa rin magawa. Okay? The Moon. Center ng reading, Seven of Coins. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Cups. Okay. Queen of Cups. So yeah, okay. This confirms my intuition, sweetheart. You are in this type of energy, okay, na hindi mo magawang makalimutan itong tao na to rito, no? Kahit na ang dami niya na ritong ginawa ritong kasalanan sa inyo, ang dami niya nang nadulot rito na problema, kaguluhan, conflicts sa life ninyo, no? The very reason why, okay, it's not just because meron ka pang remaining feelings for him or her, kasi talaga namang minahal mo talaga siya rito eh, 'di ba? Nakita ko naman yun, no? Pero hindi yun talaga yung pinaka-reason, okay? Kaya hindi mo magawa rito makapag-move on sa kanya. It is because this person rito, no, ay babalik pa. Ayan, no? So, oras ng pagbabalik, nakikita ko rito na ang taong ito ay muling magbabalik rito sa buhay mo. No? Ibabalik siya rito ni universe dahil siya naman talaga ang taong nakatakda para sa'yo. Kaya hindi mo magawang bitiw-bitiwan ang taong ito no matter what you do, no matter what you say to yourself to convince that you really need to let go of him or her. It's just very difficult, 'di ba, to do that, okay? Bakit hindi ko magawang kalimutan siya? Bakit naiiyak pa rin ako sa tuwing naiisip ko siya? Bakit parang pakiramdam ko mali na kalimutan siya at mag-move on? It is because this person here, this separation, this no contact situation has this big purpose, has this big meaning. This is just a temporary Four of Swords to the Wheel of Fortune. Fortune's wheel right in here. No, this is just a temporary separation. No, you are not really meant to be drifted apart. Okay, hindi kayo meant na maghiwalay talaga. No, and this is the person right in here, no, babalik siya rito, no, pero hindi na yung gaya ng dati rito, no, na mga masakit na nagawa niya rito sa life mo, no. Totally renewed by the universe sa kanyang spirit, no. So, however this energy is, na mga nakukuha ko ngayon, this is this big hidden message with the moon, and ito ay nare-reveal sa inyo ngayon, okay? You've cried a lot, okay? Yung iba parang halos ocean of tears na yung naiiyak ninyo because of this person right in here, but still, you cannot move on, okay? Sa gabi, ang dami ng mga gabi na napuyat kayo, nagka-eyebags na't lahat-lahat, still, you just can't make tak-tak your mind, no? Para maalis siya dito sa isip mo, no? And it's because of that very reason. Eh, miss yan ang lagay naman dun. Ako lang ba ang nakaka-experience nito? Hindi siya? Yan. No, good question, sweetheart. No, good question. Kasi, hindi lang siya hindi lang ikaw ang nakaka-experience niyan, kundi siya din. Both of you. Okay? Kasi, etong person na 'to sa kanyang thoughts ngayon, okay, nagpapahintay siya rito sa inyo. Okay? It's like this person here could be sending you telepathic messages or maybe napapanaginipan mo siya rito na because this person here wants you to wait for him or her kasi pabalik na siya. Oras ng pagbabalik, oras na para bumalik. Yan nakikita natin dito, no? And okay, you are someone here na nape-pick up mo yung mensahe na yun. Okay? Yeah, nandun na tayo na, oo, kasi may natitira ka pang love for him or her, no? But it's more than that. Because you guys are really meant to be together. And you do not need to worry about the future, about this person here going back dito sa kanyang mga old ways na nasaktan niya kayo rito, no? And kung ano-ano pa ng mga ibang mga bagay rito nagpabigat rito ng dibdib ninyo because of him or her, no? None of it will be a problem in the future. Okay? Because you guys, this separation has this big purpose for both of you na mas mag-mature sa life dahil inihahanda kayo. Okay? Sa isang klase rito ng samahan, no, na mas may matitindi pa kayong pagdadaanan in the future. At pag yun, pinagdaanan ninyo, walang bibitaw. Dahil nalampasan niyo na yung pinakamatinding pagsubok sa inyong relationship. And that is the very reason why you two broke up. Kung kailan man kayo nag-broke up, it doesn't matter. Kailan kayo naging separated, it doesn't matter. What matters here is that you two are really destined for each others. So, yeah, mga babes, sa bago natin pag-usapan ito more, bati muna natin everyone. Hi and hello there, sweethearts. My name is Yan. Welcome, new subscribers. Returning Island buyers, thank you sa inyo walang sawang love and support for me. If hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa tayong isa pang channel, link down below lang sa ating description box. If interested for more collective readings for all signs, just visit the channel. No, meron tayong ina-upload doon everyday. Okay? Daily fresh uploads. Okay? More likely mga hapon yun. Akala niyo umaga, no? Hapon, mga hapon. Yan, oh. At yun nga natin dito yung gender bali lalaki LGBT, everybody ay welcome. It's also possible na mag-switch ng roles. Kasi general reading ito. And timeless tayo pwede nangyayari, nasa iba nangyayari, nasa iba mangyayari pa lang. Pick up only the messages na resonate for you. So here, this person here, okay, ay ang person mong talaga. Siya ang nakikita ko rito pag i-investan mo ng whole life with mo sa future. Okay? So whatever that is, nakikita ko kayo magkakaayos pa rin dito. Okay? Maaring nagkasakitan or nasaktan niyo man kayo rito, pero yun pala ay bahagi ng plano ni universe no upang kayong dalawa no ay mas maging matatag pa sa mga paparating na mga malabagyo. Okay, na mga pagsubok dito sa inyong life. No, however, the universe will be your guiding path. This person here, ibinabalik siya dito ni universe. You do not need to go to this person's place or to message him or her first. Okay? Hindi mo na yon problema. Okay? This person right in here ay nakikita ko no, na siya yung klase rito ng energy na, you know, siya itong klase ng energy rito na nagpapakita ng sincerity. Okay? At kanya rito no, na truth na talagang gusto niya ditong ayusin ang anumang hindi ninyo pagkakaintindihan dito. However, this person right in here, no, I afraid, okay, kung siya ba ay muli mo pang tatanggapin. Pero, hindi ko naman nakikita na yun ay blockage or wall na mataas, no, na baka minsan panghinaan siya ng loob. Baka pag nalaman niyang galit pa ako or ganito ako, hindi siya magparamdam. Hindi ganun eh. It's the contrary pa nga. Kasi this person here do not want this situation to be like that for long. So, nakikita ko dito this person here na mas magdadagdag pa yon ng parang konting push or tulak sa kanya para mas makalapit siya sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, may mga ganun talagang tao, no, na iba-iba, 'no, dahil hindi naman tayo pare-pareho, eh. Iba-iba yung approach sa love, iba-iba yung mga movements at actions na ginagawa, okey? At itong person na 'to na hindi ko nakikitang susukuan ka niya, okey? So, no need to overthink this because this person here will definitely find you, search for you, and will do the first move. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito that this person here, no, I feeling blue. Yes. Bluer than blue. Yes. Bluer than blue. Sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room. You know, empty room. Kasi nga you're not there. Ay, ay. Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, this person here really wants to fix things here with you guys, okay? It doesn't matter what you're gonna say, it doesn't matter if you push him or her away. What matters to him is that to show you that he or she still cares for you, that he or she still loves you, and that he or he really wants to pursue you. No matter kahit na ayaw mo pa sa kanya. Yan. So parang sinasabi niya rito no na sa ayaw at sa ayaw mo, ipapakita ko sa'yo na nagbago na ako at gusto ko na maging tayo. Yan. So, every this energy is yung totoo na daw talaga na tayo ngayon. Okay? With the Five of Cups energy, no more tears, no more dramas. Okay? No more conflicts, paligoy-ligoy, iba pang mga problema. Hindi na importante yan. Okay? Aayusin niya na ito, no, direct or straight up sa'yo, no? Hindi na kailangan ipadaan sa iba pang mga tao with the Five of Cups energy, no? Saka na yan, no? Aayusin niya rin yan, yung gusot sa family mo, sa friends mo, no? Kaya ang importante sa kanya rito ay ang relationship niya here with you guys to be fixed first. Okay? So, whatever that is, this is this person's main plan or goal. So, just take only what resonates, no? Parang kitang-kita natin talaga dito ng malinaw ang kanya rito nga sincerity and love for you. Na yung universe right in here, no, ay very tricky talaga, 'di ba? You thought na yung ex mo is ex mo talaga for life, no? But you never expect na itong ex mo pala yung talagang para sa'yo. Okay? So, Whatever this energy is, this person right in here ay bumabalik at ibabalik dito sa buhay mo dahil siya talagang para sa'yo. You are not the only one feeling this. Actually, mas ramdam niya po ito. If you have remaining feelings for him or her, yung sa kanya hindi yun latak, hindi yun tira. This person here feels like, okay, breathless without you. See? Ote, diba? Yun na nga yun. So, yeah, initials sa tayo, we have here capital letter N, capital letter D as in dog, capital letter O, capital letter M, capital letter J, capital letter G, capital letter P, capital letter R, and capital letter K. For small letters, we have U, A, Y, T, C, O, and last but not least, we have N. So yeah, those are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Again, I'm Yuriana, and for the gusto niya na doon na for the best. Sana ngayon love and light. Yadara. Annyeong.